This 2024 CrossRoads Zinger Lite ZR270BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. This new CrossRoads is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, a steely gray interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, external shower, LP detector, spare tire kit, TV antenna, skylight, smoke detector, oven, microwave, slideout, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Zinger Lite ZR270BH is 6,132 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Courvelle's RV, visit RVUSA.com.